How to change your birthday on Facebook. So if you want to change your birthday on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you've opened your Facebook, now go for the upper right, which has that three-dot icon, and then you need to simply scroll down, go for the settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Once you're here on the settings, now you need to go for the account center, which is on the upper side. And here you need to simply go for personal details. And under personal details, if you want to change your birthday on Facebook, tap on birthday. And once you tap on birthday, choose the Facebook account or the Instagram account that you would like to edit. Tap on edit, and once you tap on edit, you need to simply choose another birthday. So you can choose another birthday, or you can simply custom save your birthday. And once you've chosen the correct birthday, tap on save. Once you tap on save, your birthday will be saved, and that's it. That's how you can change your birthday on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.